integrity, passion, accountability, collaboration, and respect. All of these values are centered at Intervala, the circuit board plant where complex problems find intelligent solutions.
The core values are what drive everything that we do in the organization. So for example, integrity is one of our core values. And whether it's your personal life or your professional life, integrity is everything.
So I'm pretty dedicated. I set goals in my head, and I feel like I have to meet those goals every day or I'm not fulfilled with myself.
Oh, definitely. Everybody here is accountable for their own station. If she messes up, then it's going to affect what I do. And if I mess up, then it's going to affect what he has to do. So it's very important.
Our customers, we work around the clock to make sure we get them what they need, and if we come up with any challenges, we usually, again, collaborate to find a solution.
I think mine is respect, only because sometimes I think I have the answer and sometimes I think I'm doing the right thing. And it's very important to step back and listen to other people's opinions and understand that they may, even though they're not familiar with it on a day-to-day basis, they may have a better idea than I do.